Navigating Atlanta. The city where every road seems designed to trap you in traffic. But don't fret, if you're stuck, at least you're surrounded by history, rap, and local swearing. This is where it all began. Spoiler alert, they're not entirely wrong. Walking through downtown Atlanta is like entering an anxiety-ridden art gallery. Every mural screams something: justice, pain, pride, aliens, depends which neighborhood you're in. But one thing's certain, street art here has more personality than most influencers. If there's anything more eternal than a mother's love, it's construction in Atlanta. Streets always closed, pipes exposed, and promises that we're almost done. Atlanta's in a permanent identity crisis, constantly under renovation. Atlanta isn't just traffic, it's got flow. Outkast, T.I., Migos were born here. Basically, if you live in Atlanta and don't rap, you're a miracle. Traps in the air, mingling with smoke and beats. The weather in Atlanta feels like a bear hug from someone with a fever. Summer humidity seeps into your pores and thoughts. Winter? Sometimes it remembers to show up. Sometimes it doesn't. Peachtree Street, Peachtree Avenue, Peachtree Circle. Does Atlanta have a peach obsession? Absolutely. And if you get lost, blame the 71 roads all named Peachtree. Atlanta's food hugs your heart, then keeps it. The fried chicken here could sign autographs. Healthy? Nah. Delicious? Brutally so. MARTA's Atlanta's transport system. If you catch the right route, it works. If not, prepare to walk more than a penitent pilgrim. The Atlanta Falcons are experts at raising hopes, then crushing them. But hey, the stadium's nice and they sell cold beer. That's something. One of the 20th century's most important figures was born here, Martin Luther King Jr. You can visit his home, Civil Rights Center, and feel the sacredness. Even if the traffic outside doesn't get the memo. Atlanta didn't invent water, but it sure sweetened it with 39 grams of sugar. Coca-Cola was born here. Now there's a museum that's basically a sugar theme park. You try all the flavors, and walk out with emotional diabetes. Atlanta's aquarium holds more water than your tears stuck in traffic. Whale sharks stare at you like, look at you, tiny stressed human. It's a mix of marine magic and glorious air conditioning. Peachtree Park is the place everyone pretends they've got their life sorted. Jogging, frisbee, meditation, but we all know they really came for the selfie. And the ice cream van, obviously. The old Fourth Ward used to be historic and dodgy, now it's historic and outrageously pricey. Vegan cafes, Instagram dogs, and $18 brunches. Atlanta goes full millennial here. Georgia Tech, Morehouse, Spelman. Atlanta's got universities that churn out geniuses. Though, yes, sometimes it looks like no one knows how to use a roundabout. Southern duality. Atlanta's airport is the planet's busiest. You could spend more time there than in your longest relationship. And still miss your flight because you were in the wrong terminal. Spoiler, you're always in the wrong terminal. Sweet Auburn isn't just a market, it's like that aunt who cooks for you and scolds you at the same time. Afro-American history, home cooking, and a vibe that says, welcome, but don't touch without asking. Buckhead's like Atlanta's rich cousin. Everything's expensive, everything sparkles, and everyone's got something to prove. You come here to spend, look good, and suffer because there's nowhere to park. Atlanta is the Hollywood of the South. The Walking Dead, Stranger Things, and other gems were filmed here. So if you see a zombie strolling down the street, wait, it might be an actor. Or not. Best run anyway. Atlanta is a strange mix, southern but urban, hot but soulful, slow but rhythmic. Like a trap song with a saxophone, no one knows why it works, but it does. Visit, laugh at the traffic, dance with the murals, and don't forget your water bottle. Because here, the heat shows no mercy.